chapter 9, sloka 25. Yanti devavrata devan, yanti devavrata devan, yanti devavrata devan, pitrunyanti pitrivrataha, pitrunyanti pitrivrataha, pitrunyanti pitrivrataha, yanti devavrata devan, 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 pitrunyanti pitrivrataha, bhutani yanti bhutejyaha, bhutani yanti bhutejyaha, bhutani yanti bhutejyaha, yanti madhyajinopi mam, yanti madhyajinopi mam, yanti madhyajinopi mam, bhutani yanti bhutejyaha, 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 yanti madhyajinopi mam, yanti devavrata devan, pitrunyanti pitrivrataha, bhutani yanti bhutejyaha, yanti madhyajinopi mam.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.